Fig the Fox. And this is my best friend, Stick. It's a great day to play in Tumble Leaf. Watch this. Something new is in the finding place. Let's go see what it is. I wonder what we'll find today. A spoon. Come on, Stick. Let's go see what Maple's mixing up at her mud pie stand.
Welcome, kind sirs, to Maple's Mud Pie Restaurant. And I'm Chef Maple. Table for two?
Ah, so elegante, Maple. You really spruced the place up.
Thanks, Fig. And wait till you'll see my new mud pie cards.
Maple's mud pies.
Now, what can I make you, fine sir? Very good, sir. One mud pie coming right up. Now, for my special pet. And bon appetit.
Whoa! The grubs can't get enough of your mud pies, Maple. Need some help?
As a matter of fact, I do. How'd you like to be my chef's assistant?
And learn from the master mud pie maker? Just tell me how I can help.
You push and I'll pat. And voila petit. Enjoy. Assistant Fig, we need more mud.
Right away, Chef Maple.
Fiddle-dee fleeing. Catch my cart.
Gloopity glue. We're in the bayou.
Come on, Fig. Let's get this cart back to the restaurant. We've got more grubs to feed.
Right away, Chef Maple. Sorry, grubs. We're all out of mud.
But come back with us to my restaurant and I'll make you the best mud pies you've ever had. Aw, you're really hungry right now. Maybe I can whip up something else here.
But what can you make without mud?
We can figure it out. Let's see. What have we got to work with? Aha! We've got dirt! Spoon me up a bowlful, please.
Okay, Chef. What else?
Swamp water might give it an earthy flavor. Rumble leaf, tumble leaf. Now give this marvelous mixture a mighty mix, Fig.
Hey, Maple, my mixin's making mud.
And making you into a world-class chef. Keep mixing, Fig. Ugh. Oh.
Rainy ravioli. Our nice thick mud is getting all thin and watery.
We need to thicken it quick. These mushrooms might do the trick.
Chef, should I toss in some moss?
Now you're cooking. Moss should add a touch of texture. Oh, nice fine stick. Those sticks will add a crispy crunch.
Chef Maple, we filled the pot.
Let's see what we've got. Ready for a taste stick? Now, be honest. Tell me what you think.
Stick loves it.
We figured out a new dish. Rainy Bayou Stew. Bayou Stew for you, and you, and you. Now, if you'll excuse us, we need to get back to my restaurant. Come on, Fig. The other grubs are waiting for us. Pleasure to serve you, grubs. Bye-bye, Bayou.
Whew. It's hot out here, Chef Maple. Whew.
Perhaps a cooling course is in order. Let's get a cool splash by that oasis.
Shriveling shrubs. More hungry grubs.
Well, I have to make all my customers happy. Ugh, no mud here either. We can figure this out. What else do we have to work with?
We have soft, squishy wet sand.
Oh, and sprinkle some dry sand on top. Rumble leaf, tumble leaf. Let's see what other ingredients we can mix in. Ooh, that tumbleweed might add some flavor.
Then let's catch the catch of the day. Maple, look. The top turned all brown and shiny.
Let me take a look at that pie. Oh, the hot sun baked the dry sand to a crunchy crisp. It caramelized.
Camel-ized?
No, caramelized. See, hard on the outside, but the wet sand inside stayed moist, like a pudding. Take a taste stick. We figured out another delicacy to add to my menu. Sun-baked sand brulee. Sound of satisfied customers. Music to my ears.
Okay. You ready to head home, Chef Maple?
Let's take the long way back.
Huh? The long way?
Of course. So we can visit new places and create many more marvelous dishes for my customers. Ooh, new environment. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, it's a spinning mushroom mixer. Let's stop and mix some mud.
Frothy foam. Maple, you can make anything if you know what you've got to work with.
Look, more hungry grubs by that hot spring. Let's go make something out of that.
Ooh, the mud's melting.
Perfect for dipping. Hot spring molten mud fondue. Bon appetit.
Chef Maple, there's more ingredients to play with over here.
The mud's gonna freeze out here in this frosty snow.
So maybe we can make mountain mud snow cones.
Well done, Chef Fig.
Huh? Chef Fig? Me?
Yes. Arise, Chef Fig. Go forth and cook. Well, Chef, what's our next dish?
Well, what have we got to work with, Chef Maple? Thanks for playing with me in Tumbleleaf. Rumbleleaf, Tumbleleaf. Go play! Something new is in the finding place. Let's go see what it is. I wonder what we'll find today. Crayons! So many colors, Stick. It's like a rainbow forest. Let's find some paper and color. Morning, chickens. Morning, Maple. What you making?
Well, Fig, since Stick and the Grubs love my mud pies, I thought Stick might love
Maple's mud pie.
a mud frittata.
While you're muddling, I'll be coloring. I just need to find some paper. Hey, Zucchini, got any paper growing in that garden? Paper! I don't know who sent it, but it's perfect for coloring. Scribble, 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 scribble. And now to shade it all in. Looks like patches of chicken scratches.
One mud frittata for Stick, with a dollop of dirt and a sprinkle of leaves. Oh, how marvelous, Fig. You're drawing a picture of me.
Huh? It does look like you, but I didn't draw it. I found this paper airplane, and when I color on it, this picture is appearing from underneath.
It's me at Skipping Stone Beach. How marvelous and mysterious. I wonder who sent this fantastic flying message. And why?
Maple, let's go to Skipping Stone Beach and see if we can figure it out.
Yeah! What am I my favorite places in Tumble Leaf. Look at all these wonderful stones.
What do we do now?
Hello, mysterious message sender. We're here. Where are you?
Yoo-hoo! Paper plane pilot!
I don't think the message maker is here, Fig.
Ooh, galloping gliders! More paper airplanes!
I wonder if these are more messages to decode.
Well, if we want to find out, we've got to start unfolding. And coloring.
Good idea, Fig. Hand me a lilac. Look, more pictures. It's another message.
I see a picture too.
Fig, what's yours a picture of?
A caterpillar on a yak's back? Or maybe it's a chicken on a hayride.
Mine's either a mermaid manatee or a really round rake. I'm not sure.
So what does it all mean?
How can we read this mixed-up message? This is gonna take some tinkering.
Oh no! Get him, Maple! Don't let him blow away!
I'll get him!
Rumble leaf, tumble leaf! Step on him to stop him!
Step and stop!
Double stop!
Slip and shout, I figured it out! The lines on the drawings connect. We have to line up the lines to decode this message. Okay, let's see. I think these two connect. There. All of the lines connect.
We decoded the message!
It's another picture of me. But this one's of me at Hive Hollow.
Then that's where we're going.
Okay, Fig, let's go. Oh, message maker, we're here. I don't see anyone. What's that?
Jumbo jets! Another paper airplane!
Get ready to scribble. Well, this is a squiggle of a riddle.
Is it a message?
I think so. But it's lost in a sea of squiggles, so I can't read it.
How can we see through the curly swirlies to see the message?
Ugh. This is gonna take some tinkering. Whoa. This paper is making me dizzy.
Whoa, wind chimes! Rumble leaf, tumble leaf. These chimes are ringing and swinging. Whoa, swing and switch. Did you see that stick? When I look through yellow, the blue blossoms go green. When I look through red, the yellow turns orange. It must be a pigment of my imagination. Disappearing daffodils. Where'd the blue flowers go? Oh, there they are. Stick, little fellow. You've lost your yellow. Oh, there it is. Popping pout, I figured it out. When I look through blue, it hides the blue things so I can see the red things better. Maple, we can use these chimes to see through the squiggles and read the message.
Yeah. Okay, the squiggles are red, so we look through the red.
Look, Maple, we don't see the red squiggles anymore.
Now we only see blue lines. Fig, those blue lines make the next message.
Ready to read. The squiggle riddle is solved.
It's a picture of me at Crystal Cavern.
Then that's where we're going.
Yay! Hooray! We made it to Crystal Cavern.
Woohoo!
Fig, do you hear that?
Look, Maple, the grubs! Huh? What's that, Grubs? You want to give Maple one more message? Maple, it's over here.
Ooh, I think we need to decode this one too. Red squiggles are hiding the message. If I put up this red filter, I can make the red squiggles disappear. I can see the message. That's me, making mud pies for the grubs.
Oh, Grubs. So this whole message mystery has been your way of thanking Maple for the mud treats she made you.
I'm speechless. Simply speechless. It's my pleasure, Grubs. I love making you mud pies anytime you want. How about a group grub hug?
Grub hug. Thanks for playing with me in Tumbleleaf. Rumbleleaf, Tumbleleaf. What do you want to play today?